Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding Intelligence Bureau recruitment notification 2020. The vacancies are ACIO grade 2 vacancies which comes under Group C category, and those are non-gazetted and non-ministerial. The Assistant Central Intelligence Officer grade 2 executive examination 2020, and these are the two useful websites for this particular notification. Once we look into description of post, ACIO grade 2 executives, and classification general central service group C non-gazetted and non-ministerial, and number of approximate vacancies around 2000 vacancies. Out of 2000 vacancies, 989 vacancies comes under unreserved category matrix, so that is level 7 pay matrix. 44,900 is the basic one, and 1,42,400 is the gross amount, and the net salary we can expect around 55 to 60,000. In addition to that, they are providing special security allowances at the rate 20% of the basic pay. That means approximately 9,000 we can expect here. And second one, cash compensation in lieu of duty performed on a holiday subjected to a ceiling of 30 days. In case if you are working in holidays also, they will pay for your time, that is up to 30 days. And when it comes to essential qualification, so graduation are equivalent from a recognized university. So for this particular examination, so you should have graduation from any discipline, okay, any domain also, okay. And knowledge of computers is a desirable qualification, not mandatory, okay. So this just desirable one only. Age limit, the minimum age is 18 years, maximum age is 27 years, and as usual reservation pattern, OBC having 3 years and SC/ST having 5 years, and ex-servicemen and PhD candidates having up to 10 years of age relaxation. And the next one, so this is the important one. The above mentioned post is not identified suitable for any category of persons with disabilities like HHOH, VH or Austin. Hence, they need not to apply. Okay. So these people are not suitable for this particular recruitment. Just kindly go through this. And next one comes to this point, the eligibility of the candidate in terms of age, educational qualification, caste, category, etc. will be determined on the closing date. The candidates must possess essential qualification for the post applied for on or before the closing date. That means the final results must be out on or before the closing date, that is 9th January 2021. Okay, and she must have been declared successful in it. Whoever having the results on or before 9th January 2021, those people can only eligible for this particular notification. Service liability, the post involves all India service liability. The post involves all India service liability. Therefore, the candidate willing to serve anywhere in India only need to apply. Okay. So, and next, center and city of examination. Here I mark the Andhra Pradesh related centers and Telangana related. So kindly go through that. And next one is scheme of examination. So this is 3-tier exam. This tier 1 exam only in online mode, that is 100 objective type questions divided into 5 parts containing 20 questions of 1 mark each one. Okay, so first one is general awareness, and total 5 parts: general awareness, quantitative aptitude, numerical, analytical and logical ability and reasoning, and English language and general studies. And each section consists around 20 questions. Okay, each question carries 1 mark. So total time duration is 1 hour, total 100 marks. Okay, negative marks also there. Negative marking of 1/4 mark for each wrong answer. Okay, 0.25 marks negative marks also there. So, and next type 2, and this is descriptive type paper of 50 marks, and essay 30 marks, and English comprehension and precise writing is 20 marks. This is also having 1 hour duration. So 50 marks is allocated for this type 2 exam. Okay, and next interview type 3, and for this we have 100 marks weightage is there. And one more important thing, candidates appearing in interviews may be subjected to psychometric and aptitude test, which will be a part of the interview. Psychometric and aptitude is 2 things also as a part of interview. Okay, and next one, tier 1 to tier 2, they have to select a 1:10 ratio, and after that the candidates are selected for interview 1:5 ratio. Okay, and that means we have total 2000 vacancies. So 1:5 ratio means 10,000 students called for interview. So the merit list is prepared based on the performance of tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Okay, not only based on interview. Starting date is 19th December 2020, and the ending date of this particular notification is 9th January 2021. And just you can go through these steps to apply. Step 1 registration, and step 2 completion of application form. All the steps clearly mentioned here, please go through that. Fee fee part, examination fee. So here two types. One is examination fee is 100 and recruitment processing charges is 500 here. Total 600 rupees. So that is applicable for male candidates of general and EWS and OBC category. These people having examination fee as well as recruitment processing charges. When it comes to all SC, ST and all female candidates and all ex-servicemen having only recruitment processing charges, that is 500 rupees. Closing date is 9th January 2020. So this is regarding Intelligence Bureau recruitment notification 2020. For more job updates, please subscribe my channel and share this information with your friends, and please like the video. If you have any doubts regarding this particular recruitment, please comment on comment section. Thank you.